about what people feel on me, but I don't think they feel the same way. No one will teach your tears, your sadness, your pain, anything but your mistake. I used to be in the rock bottom, and it knocked me until I start to sing fire on fire to myself. Then I started to think positive and being kind. Its work has helped me to feel blessed and happy.
Never-ending story. Life isn't a movie. No regret is all she really wants. It describes people's mind nowadays. Yeah. Me myself helps to realize how blessed I am. I'm a grown-up and been thinking about myself lately. Does it ever drive me crazy? Just how fast the night changes.